Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Following Forward Financial. Just bringing another Bitcoin or crypto, I should say, crypto mining stock to your attention. Um, Bitcoin's been going kind of crazy here lately. I've only done one Bitcoin video so far. I've kind of stayed away from it, but it's going up, and the more I read about it, the more I'm kind of um, speculating on trying some or getting into the blockchain part of it, more of the safer. But as you can see here, the cryptocurrency has top 39,000 with no end in sight. And the more I read, like I said, there's got to be something behind it. So don't want to miss out. So I'm kind of slowly researching it and thought I'd make another video about it. But anyway, this is the three crypto mining stocks set to benefit from Bitcoin's record. On the last day of 2020, Bitcoin soared to as high as 29,292. Now it's more than 39,000. The writing on the wall, not since 2017 has cryptocurrency experienced such a banner year. That's when I first started hearing about it, was back in 2017. When it topped 20,000. So it's kind of an interesting time for Bitcoin, but just kind of stayed away from it. Haven't really done anything with it, but kind of interested in the Bitcoin mining devices as well as the blockchain part of it. Might be a little bit safer play, but anyway, in a bull market, these companies give you the opportunity to for outsized returns. When things turn pear-shaped, they will continue to deliver respectful profits. And here are three names to keep in mind on your watch list this year. I might have mentioned all three of these in the other video. I know I definitely did the BTBT. But crypto mining stocks to buy, RIOT. I'm sure if you follow Bitcoin at all, you've heard of all three of these. RIOT I've heard about for a little while. Haven't really looked into it in depth yet, but I'm starting to. And this is why. RIOT started stock gained nearly 1,500% in 2020, handily outpacing the 314% gains made by Bitcoin during the same period. On December 21st, the company said it would spend $35 million to acquire more mining capacity, known as Bitmain Antminers, bringing its equipment to approximately 37,000 miners. RIOT finances its new miner purchases through available working capital and does not have any long-term debt, which I find is a good thing and rather interesting. There's still lots of skepticism when the company shifted from biotechnology company to the digital currency miner back in 2017. However, now it boasts a market cap of 1.15 billion, up from approximately 27 million a year ago. So wow, that's quite a difference. 27 million a year ago to 1.15 billion right now. That's almost close to almost up a billion. So sales are expected to grow 412.5% next year. That may seem ambitious. However, this is a company that has beat analysts' estimate in 5 of the last 6 quarters. RIOT is forecasting profitability next year and will play a significant role in maintaining Bitcoin's network. Next is BTBT, Bit Digital, that I've been hearing a lot about. Bit Digital is engaged in Bitcoin mining business across facilities in the United States and China. It operates 1,250 PHS Bitcoin hash power based on 22,869 mining rigs in operation, operating 16,944 acquired during the third quarter. In February 2020, the company started to shift its focus on Bitcoin mining as part of the initiative. So again, that's why I'm watching it. BTBT stock gained 5,383% last year, with the bulk of its gains coming after the strategic shift. So again, that's why I'm starting to watch it. But it's also important to give Bit Digital credit where it's due. In the third quarter, the revenue from Bitcoin mining was 7.91 million, and the number of Bitcoins was 814.23. BTBT's last reported 40,865 mining rigs in current operation is also greater than Marathon Patent Group, Riot Blockchain, and CleanSpark. So that might be one to watch as well. I think they're all three kind of interesting. The company has done well to position itself as one of the preeminent crypto mining stocks. You should buy today, and even through BTBT stock, trades at a price sales multiple of 38.5 times. It's still reasonable to compare that with Riot, for example, which trades at 70.4 times. And the last is Marathon Patent Group, MARA. It has swung wildly this year and is perhaps the riskiest of the stocks we are analyzing. Still, shares of the cryptocurrency mining company are up 1,047% in the past 6 months. So while it remains a speculative play, it certainly warrants attention as a pioneer in the emerging market segment. So again, I think they can all be kind of interesting. I've just been kind of watching them as they've all been going up. I don't really know which is the safest play, but you can go ahead and rewind the video and watch probably the safest one. I would assume was probably the first one we talked about, which was probably Riot. But here on Robinhood, BTBT, I think they're all about the same price. But for BTBT, it was founded in 2015, market cap of 1.36 billion, so it's getting up there. Here's MARA. So they're all relatively in the $28 range. I'm uploading a video, so I don't know if that will work, but we can try it over here. MARA has a moderate buy, analyst price target of $17, and so all these, they don't really give too much ratings. There's not really much to go by, but they're just kind of hard to get some analytics on them. Whether you that makes a difference if you buy them or not. It's all kind of nice just to kind of see what an analyst perspective gives on the particular stock. Again, I don't give trading advice. I'm not a licensed advisor or anything, and don't give trading or tax advice. I'm just bringing these out there to your attention, as there's lots of people talking about Bitcoin, blockchain, and so on. Back to Riot, it looks like it's a moderate buy, analyst price of $7.50. And so just kind of wanted to bring those three to your attention. I'm not sure what's going on with Robinhood. Here it comes up. Marathon is 28.68, but you can kind of see what it's done here over the last year or even the last couple months. I mean, it's just kind of ran up here ever since in the last 2 months. It's just kind of had a going straight up here. So there's got to be something behind these. So like I said, I'm starting to watch them. I'll probably be making more videos about them and just trying to get everybody's feedback on them, as I think it's pretty interesting. So these three that I went over, MARA, blockchain, and BTBT, I think are a little bit safer. Again, I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just giving you my perspective. I think they're actually safer than actual buying of Bitcoin. But you can buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. Webull has it now. You can find both of those links in the description. You can get yourself a free stock, especially on the Webull. I think you can get up to 3 to 4 stocks. So one of those could be worth, I believe the promotion is up to $1,700. So one of those being a share of Google, I believe they're still doing that. But anyway, if you're looking for some free money, you can use the links and keep them for however long it says, and then dump them. It's just free money. So anyway, with a deposit, but just bring in some Bitcoin crypto information to your attention, and just letting you know I'm still watching them. I don't know if I'll pull the trigger. We'll see if there's a dip or not. I'm just gonna kind of watch them and see what goes on. But anyway, again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.